article, we studied the evolution of opinion genres regarding climate change in 3 Spanish newspapers. Analyzing their opinion articles, we observe a significant change in the evolution of opinion.
In the Two Cultures Observatory of the University of Valencia, we studied the relationship between science and the media. We were interested in discovering the evolution of the Spanish newspaper opinion on climate change.
Thanks to previous studies, we knew that 2007 was a big year for climate change press coverage in Spain, and that climate change denialism and skepticism was very present during the year. Therefore, we wanted to compare media coverage in 2007 and 2014, the years when the 4th and the 5th IPCC reports were published, in order to analyze whether contrarian arguments reflecting the editorial stance of its newspapers in the opinion articles. What were the main arguments used in this text? We chose the 3 Spanish newspapers with the largest print run: El País, with a liberal and progressive point of view; El Mundo, with a neoliberal stance; and ABC, with a rather conservative perspective. We studied a total of 376 items between editorials, op-ed articles, columns, letters to the editor, and cartoons.
We confirmed that there was a drastic decline in interest on climate change between 2007 and 2014. In 2007, the coverage of the issue was very extensive and extremely politicized. Conservative columnists such as Jiménez Los Santos or Antonio Burgos used climate change as a weapon against the socialist government of the time.
An algorithm is a semantic accusation of Al Gore, that guy with the armor inside who brought the leftist fantasy to its last consequences. That enemy of the catechism who, in order to contradict it, shows his immoderate thirst of riches. I do not know what the point is with these millennial fears of climate change, or the point of this climate change demagoguery that the Reds are so interested in. Environmentalism is the brush the leftists gripped when the ladder of the Berlin Wall was taken away and the proletariat paradise they considered communism was exposed.
Regarding cartoons, the ones published in El País addressed climate change with a dramatic and demanding tone, while cartoonists in other newspapers were more skeptical and less categorical. In general, they used climate change to joke on other topics, attributing the rising temperature to political struggles or to sales season.
We can conclude that in 2007, contrarian arguments about the existence of climate change revolve around 3 core ideas: the lack of scientific consensus, the existence of political interests, and the attack to left-wing politicians, questioning the idea that human action was responsible for the phenomenon. However, in 2014, with a conservative party in the government, the interest on climate change had almost disappeared from conservative newspapers, although international figures such as Obama were still attacked.